Force Motors Sanman is loaded with many advanced features. The premium Sanman range is equipped with the advanced Synchro and Epicyclic, that is S&E Technology. In other ordinary tractors, while doing heavy-duty operations, the full load on the axles is transferred to the crown wheel pinion, resulting in heavy wear and damage to the teeth and braking in extreme cases. The premium Sanman range is equipped with advanced epicyclic reduction design. The planetary construction of its gears ensures that the load gets distributed. Only about half of the load on the axles is transmitted to the crown wheel pinion compared to other ordinary tractors, thus ensuring lifelong trouble-free operation. The new generation tractor for the new generation farmer, Sanman.